Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify water heater age using Google Lens easy tutorial step by step clearly. To verify the age of your water heater using Google Lens, start by ensuring you have the app installed on your smartphone. Open the Google Lens app on your device. If you don't have the app, you can download it from your app store. Once the app is open, point your camera at the data plate on your water heater. The data plate is usually located on the side of the unit. Make sure the text is clear and well lit for better recognition. Tap the capture button to take a photo of the data plate. Google Lens will analyze the image and provide you with relevant information. Look for the manufacturing date, which is often displayed in a specific format. In some cases, you may need to search for the manufacturer's name or model number if the date isn't immediately visible. Google Lens may connect you to the manufacturer's website for more detailed information. If the age is not clear, you can manually search the model number online. Simply type the model number into the Google search bar. This should lead you to resources that provide the manufacturing date for that specific water heater model. Once you have the information, take note of your water heater's age. This information can be helpful for maintenance and replacement decisions. Using Google Lens makes this process quick and efficient. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.